So what can people do to stop snoring?
Oh, there are lots of ways. Do you know some of them?
Well, I heard that when people get fat they snore more.
That's correct. Also, the body position matters. What pillow you use. You can also elevate your body and avoid pills and alcohol.
Wow, there are many ways to stop snoring.
Yes. You can read all about it in the article called How to Stop Snoring Home Remedies on the site below.